everyone, this is Sharon from Sharonatsea, and I'm back with another review, and today it is on Lavievert's Foldable Travel Duffel Bag. That's right, Lavievert was kind enough to send us this awesome little product here, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Alright, the Lavievert Foldable Duffel Bag is ideal for all of your travel needs. It would be great for just a gym bag, an outdoor bag, you know, sports bag, anything, shopping bag. You can use this for so many options. So I am going to tell you all about it here, but basically whatever your travel needs or any of your needs, this thing will accommodate it. All right, let's open it up here and unzip here. Okay, and it just folds right out. One great thing here is it folds up, so you can either just throw it in your luggage and bring it along as kind of a backup. Maybe if you need a backup luggage on your return trip, which sometimes happens to me buying too many souvenirs and things. Or it's also great for storage at home in between your trips. You know, you can just store it places. So anyway, so it unfolds. It has a really great quality zipper here. A nice metal zipper. It has two handles like this, which also has a clip. You can take them off and also adjust. It has a shoulder strap that you can add onto it as well. Inside it has three pockets, well, three zippered pockets. Let me show you here. You can see there's a nice big long mesh one here on this side. You have another one on this side. There are another little one here, and then you also have these little pockets right here. They're just kind of on the sides there, and it's a really big open bag here. It opens very big. The measurements are, my little cheat sheet here, they are 18 by 8 by 12, so it's a good size bag. It also has two zippered pockets on the outside. There's one right here. It opens up, and it's a pretty, you can see my hand in there, it's a pretty deep pouch there. And this is one of my favorite things about this bag, is on the other side it has another zipper pocket, which isn't quite as deep, but it has this little area here underneath, which is awesome for when you have, you know, the handle on your luggage. You can just slide this right through it here, and then you can just roll it around on top of your luggage, and you don't have to tote this on your shoulder or carry it separate. So it's great. I love that. Saves carrying more bags around. So there you go. This is really just a great carry-on travel bag, I would say. We plan to take this on our upcoming cruise in a couple weeks, and if you follow along, you can kind of see how we used it and how well it worked out for us. But I would say I'm already a fan of it. This is a great bag. It's really thick, nice, strong nylon. It's very, very high quality and very reasonably priced. So anyways, you can purchase this on Amazon, and you can go to my affiliate link and purchase it if you like as well at amazon.com/shop/Sharonatsea. And there you go, the Lavievert Foldable Travel Duffel Bag. Till next time, happy cruising.